Hello, this is HardReset.Info speaking for you, and in this video I'll tell you something about Xbox Series S and its 120 FPS gaming. So right now I'm starting up Gears 5 because it is one of the games that are synchronized with 120 FPS. But what does it mean? So the newest generation of consoles offers you gaming in 120 and 60 FPS of gaming. But it's not as beautiful as you can hear, because only certain games can run in 120 or 60 FPS. And what's not good info, that every game except that they are compatible with 120 or 60 FPS runs only in 30 FPS. And unfortunately Xbox Series S has the small list of games working in 120 FPS. So right now I started Gears 5 and let's check how good it will play in 120 FPS. Because this game has to have 120 FPS stable, because it is optimized for it. And yeah, another thing. Most of games are optimized for 120 FPS or 60 FPS for Xbox Series S, but in many games you'll have to turn on FPS Boost function on your console. What is it? FPS Boost function on your console is the function that you can enable or disable in certain games that are not optimized factory for 120 FPS on Xbox Series S. But the Microsoft is giving you option that you can enable such FPS boosts to play in 120 FPS. How to do it? So in order to do it, you'll have to press this button on your controller, go to My Games and Apps, focus on your game, then press this button on your controller. From here, go to Manage Games and Add-ons, and right here on the left side, if your game supports FPS Boost, it will be visible that you can enter it and turn it on. Gears 5 does not have this function because they are optimized for 120 FPS. So let's check how it works. Unfortunately, I can't skip it. Okay. So let's check gaming in 120 FPS. For now it's smooth. I can't see any delays.
Yeah, it's pretty evident.
And your Intel says one of the silos is still seconds out. Hatched. We waist deep is for. One hell of a way to come back to his room. Yeah. Oh shit! Help!
He starts to place his falling apart.
Quickly. Come on, we can use the leverage.
Okay, to be honest, right now I don't see any delays and I can't complain because it looks very good, very smooth. I'm sure this 120 FPS looks good because, to be honest, the Gears 5 is specially optimized for this console. As you can see, the graphics is not so good. It's not bad, of course, but it's not very good. So I think it wasn't hard to optimize this game to 120 FPS. Okay, one more thing. Under this video below, I'll give you the full list of games that are working on 120, 60 FPS or with FPS Boost on both consoles like Xbox Series X and Series S. Thank you for watching, I hope you liked it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe. Have fun playing on your console.